Income investors buy products that pay a small, steady stream of income while they're held. An example is a bond that pays regular, fixed interest payments, typically semi-annually. This investing strategy differs from other common strategies you may have heard of, like value and growth investing. Value investors, for example, buy stocks they believe to be undervalued to sell at a higher price down the line. They believe a company's current share price may not always reflect its true value and that eventually it may adjust and climb toward it. Growth investors also look to maximize their investment returns at some point in the future. They typically look for companies that are growing at a much faster rate than others in their industry. For example, a growth investor may buy stocks in unprofitable companies initially focused on growing their top line and expanding their position in a market. That means their profits may come later. Income investors are different than value and growth investors in two important ways. 1. They focus more on steady income payments from an asset, like a bond, rather than on the movement of its price. And 2. The goal of income investors is to begin earning smaller amounts of money today, rather than wait for a potential larger return in the future. Some investors will spend their income as it comes in. To maximize their returns, other investors may decide to reinvest their income as it becomes available, so that those smaller earnings could themselves start growing into something much larger. And interest payments from bonds are only one type of income that investors may seek out. They may also look to get income from other fixed income products like treasury bills or T-bills and guaranteed investment certificates or GICs or equities like dividend stocks. So before you start researching, here are a few things to know. How to make different sources of income work for you. Common income producing products. Starter strategies for maximizing your returns. And how your income is affected by the economy. In this course, we address these points to help you get started on your road to income investing. Ready? Then head over to our lesson on how to make different sources of income work for you. Have more questions about income investing? See our schedule of upcoming webinars and masterclasses for instructor-led content and live insights from industry guest speakers.